Today we ray testing the LKTOP 65-watt parallel charging hub for Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3, using LKTOP 100-watt USB-C power adapter and LKTOP 100-watt USB-C cable to see how long it takes to fully charge 3 Mini 4 Pro batteries from 10%. Testing begins. Battery 1 fully charged in 1 hour 10 minutes 50. Battery 2 fully charged in 1 hour 12 minutes 30 to add. Battery 3 fully charged in 1 hour 14 minutes 23 seconds. Test results.